Hello, my name is Stanley Spacel and I would like to introduce new Easy Cutter system. This new system uses specific mixture of nitrogen and oxygen to cut materials such as aluminum and brass. This is supposed to solve problems with imperfections and burr. See, this is the old cut and you can see clearly all those imperfections. This new system is called Shiny Cutter because cut on this new machine, on this new system is shiny. Also, production with this system is more efficient and more cost effective. You can see it on one of these pieces. Also, the cut due to those things is shiny, hence the name Shiny Cutter. Production with this system is more efficient and more cost effective. That's due to things such as the cost of the gas you use is much lower, and also you don't need any additional processing such as cleaning or polishing. All key components of this system are imported from Japan for higher precision and more stable performance. Also, maintenance and repair of this system is much easier due to the modular design of this system. Thank you for your attention.